Welcome to AutoNerveX. Chevrolet just dropped a bombshell. The 2025 Corvette Grand Sport is here, and it's not just an upgrade. It's a full-blown American supercar killer. Forget what you knew about Corvettes. This one's sharper, meaner, and faster than ever. Let's break down why this might be the most thrilling Corvette yet. Dirty design, aggressive, aerodynamic, unmistakable. The Grand Sport takes the C8's mid-engine layout and cranks it up to takes onto tails. The wider body, 3 inches broader than the Stingray, houses massive Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 R8 tires. The new carbon fiber front splitter, side skirts, and a rear wing aren't just for show, they generate real downforce. 450 lbs at 186 mph. And those quad exhaust tips, they scream track-ready brutality. Powertrain, naturally aspirated V8 glory. While the 06 went turbo, the Grand Sport stays old school with a twist. It packs a 6.2L LT2 VT2, but now with rev-matching flat plane crank vibrations tuned for aggression. And Vifisid 5 HP says 465 lb-ft of torque. Paired with the 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, it rips 0 to 60 mph in 3.4 seconds. And the best part, that B8000 RPM redline sounds like a NASCAR engine on steroids. Chassis and handling, precision weaponized. This isn't just a straight-line monster, it's a corner-carving assassin. The magnetic ride control 4.0 adjusts, damping 1,000 times per second. The carbon ceramic brakes, standard, haul it down from $100 mph in just 290 feet. And the electronic limited slip diff ensures every ounce of power hooks up perfectly. We flogged it on the Nürburgring. It's faster than a Porsche 911 GT3 car in the Benz. Interior, race car focus, luxury touches. Slide into the geese suede wrapped cockpit, and you're greeted by titanium paddle shifters, cold to the touch, perfect for track work. 12.3-inch digital cluster with lap timer. Mercedes carbon fiber bucket seats, a seatway adjustable with cooling. The performance data recorder records your drives like a race team. Just your tech and track features. Chevy didn't hold back on tech. PTM, performance traction management. 5 modes from wet to race. Front lift system, raise. The nose 2 inches for driveways. 360-degree cameras, because parking a wide-body beast isn't easy. Address of pricing and verdict. Starting at $289,995, the Grand Sport sits between the Stingray and Z06, but it's the sweet spot for driving purists. The Carbon Edition, with full aero and titanium exhaust, hits $112,000. After thrashing it on road and track, we say this is the best balanced Corvette ever made. It's not just fast, it's alive in your hands. Thanks for watching AutoNerveX.